In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes fast using Canva's AI Quiz Maker. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create quizzes fast using Canva's AI Quiz Maker. Whether you're a teacher, a trainer, or just need a quick interactive activity, this workflow will help you go from idea to ready-to-use quiz in minutes. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create a Design. Choose the format that fits how you plan to present your quiz. Presentation is a great pick if you'll be showing questions on slides, but you can select any layout that suits your needs. Picking the right format at the start helps the generated quiz land in the right canvas size and style. On the left sidebar, click Apps to open Canva's library of tools. In the search bar, type AI Quiz Maker and open it. This is the tool that will generate your questions and answers based on your input, saving you tons of time. Enter your quiz topic. Be specific for better results. For example, instead of math, try basic fractions for 6th grade or photosynthesis basics for biology. The clearer your topic, the more accurate and relevant your questions will be. Next, set the number of questions you want. Think about the time you have and the depth you need. 5 to 10 questions work well for quick checks, while longer sets can support full lessons or workshops. Choose the choices per question. 3 or 4 choices are usually ideal. They're enough to challenge learners without making the quiz feel overwhelming. Select the choices type, such as multiple choice. Multiple choice is a strong default, especially if you're planning to review answers together later. Keep your choices similar in length and avoid obvious outliers to maintain fairness. When you're ready, click Generate Quiz. The AI will draft your questions and suggested answers in your chosen design format. Give it a moment to build everything. Review the generated quiz and make edits if necessary. Read through each question, refine the wording, adjust difficulty, and confirm the correct answers are accurate. You can reorder questions, tweak the choices to remove ambiguity, and tailor the tone to your audience. If a question doesn't fit, rewrite it to better match your learning goals. And that's how you quickly create quizzes using Canva's AI Quiz Maker. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.